exploring the world of cutting-edge art. Hello, and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of cutting-edge art. This term might sound complex, but worry not. We're here to unravel its meaning together. Cutting-edge art isn't just about being new. It's about pushing boundaries and challenging norms. So, let's embark on this artistic journey together. Before we explore cutting-edge art, let's break down the term cutting edge itself. Imagine a knife so sharp it slices through anything effortlessly. In a similar vein, cutting edge refers to ideas, technologies, or, in our case, art, that is at the forefront of innovation. It's about being the newest and the most advanced. When someone says cutting edge, they're talking about things that are leading the way and setting trends. Cutting-edge art is not just about being new. It's about being bold and innovative. It often challenges traditional norms. Artists break away from conventional forms and ideas. Incorporates new technologies. Think digital art, virtual reality, or even AI-generated pieces. Provokes thought and discussion. It's not just about what you see, but how it makes you feel and think. Is constantly evolving. What's cutting edge today might be different tomorrow. To bring the concept closer to home, let's talk about a few examples. Digital installations. Art that uses digital technology to create immersive experiences. Interactive sculptures. Sculptures that invite viewers to interact, often changing the piece's appearance or sound. AI art. Art created with the assistance of artificial intelligence, offering a new perspective on creativity. And that's a wrap on cutting-edge art. We've seen how it's not just about the newest or the most modern, but about pushing boundaries and challenging what we know about art. Whether you're an art enthusiast or just curious, remember that art is about exploration and expression. Thanks for joining, and may your journey through art be as innovative and exciting as the pieces we've discussed today.